Oreo cheesecake.
No, we're supposed to pose. I'm screenshotting it.
Okay.
Ready, Mom? Get in it. Welcome to Cooking with the Parmenters. Ooh. Okay, so my mom is cooking up some steak right now, and I'm going to make an Oreo cheesecake because we're in quarantine and we have nothing else better to do. So I've been learning how to make all this cool jazz. Are we gonna have a bottle of wine? Or I mean a glass of wine?
A whole bottle.
Got to wine bottles or wine glasses. I have my pimple cream on, so.
Why didn't you take that off?
Because I have pimples and they need to go away. I'm so stupid. Look at me.
I told you to get all that stuff out.
It's right here.
One eternity later.
Cheers.
What? Want to say hi?
Leave me alone.
All this time it's taken me to get
Oh,
this off.
obviously. Okay, now what do I do? I love how I'm not doing anything, I'm just standing here.
Can you hold this for a sec? Nana.
Oh crap, sorry. The refrigerator's leaking.
Probably just ice down there.
Is that what they mean by your refrigerator's running?
No, it's on. It's running. It's on.
I feel like this video is gonna be so boring.
It probably will, right?
I know, we have to be funny. Come on, Mom, be funny.
Oh, what? Get cream cheese everywhere like a mama's ready to do? I was trying not to show it. I was going to tell you to block that out.
Are you like, is that your way of trying to be funny?
No, but I'm just saying.
Oh.
See, that's what you should have been doing, Hannah. You're supposed to be helping.
You didn't tell me.
I said get the powdered sugar and have that ready. I asked you to get all that stuff ready, and you didn't have any of it ready when I came downstairs.
1 cup of powdered sugar.
You should have done that already.
I'm sorry. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. TSP.
Day 2.
Why is this so hard to get off?
Why are you using your teeth, your mouth? You don't do that, weirdo. Everybody's gonna have coronavirus if you have it. Everybody eat your cake, your cheesecake.
I'm eating it all to myself. What are you talking about?
Oh, then you can do that and break your teeth that I spent a ton of money on. Just 1 teaspoon?
Yeah. I think that has some of my coffee in it. Stop, you don't want to overdo it. You thought I was going to be able to do this by myself?
Yeah, you should been. You should been, man. What's the matter with you, girl?
I'm not even doing anything, and I'm the one wearing the apron.
You're gonna play music and stuff on it, right?
Yeah.
It'd be funny if you just left it raw, so this way you could hear all like the arguing and yelling.
We haven't argued. Have we? Okay, I put 9 in here, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
You
15.
can subtract 9 from 15.
I need 6 more.
fridge.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What?
Why can't I get...
Alright. Alright, now bring it back. Alright, well the video is, you're clearly going to be able to see that I didn't do crap. You did everything.
Well, why didn't you?
I tried to, but you just took over.
I'm sorry. I do that, don't I?
Yeah. You're
Control freak.
Yeah. You're a Gemini.